might have heard the alarming headlines that 1 million species of plants and animals now face extinction. But do you know why you should care and what's being done about it?
Do you know how much you and your family and everyone you love depends on nature? You probably know the importance of nature for food and clean water, but what about jobs, diseases, mental health, and personal safety?
Hi, I'm Britt Garner. I'm a science communicator and PhD student in interdisciplinary studies.
And I'm Rob Spall, the head of communications at IPBES, the World Biodiversity Platform. And the ones who brought you the headlines about 1 million species at risk of extinction.
We are the hosts of a new podcast, Nature Insight, Speed Dating with the Future.
Speed dating is about having a short time to communicate things that could change your life. And that's exactly what we're going to do on this podcast.
Join us every week for a different look at the values of nature to each and every one of us.
Subscribe to Nature Insight wherever you get your podcasts.